Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing so many unboxings. Well, only 2, but that seems like a lot. But I am so excited for this next one. This is the Boxy Premium for March 2020. They were doing an all Fenty box, which I like Fenty. I haven't tried very many products. I've only tried her gloss bombs, I've tried her highlighters, and I've tried her foundation. I believe that's it. No, and I've tried her powder, her face setting powder, but I haven't tried anything else from her line. And I was super excited when I heard this because I think it'll give me a chance to try some other of her products. And I have her matchstick. Maybe I have more than I thought. I just remembered that I bought her matchstick, and that was recent, like maybe the end of last year. Let's go over what I got in my Boxy Premium box for February 2020. The first thing that I got was the Picante palette. This palette was what we had gotten to choose, and I chose this because I think the other item was a hair straightener, which I don't really straighten my hair. I loved this. I did not think I would like it very much. I thought this would be something that I would pass on to someone because it is so warm, but I got the best look using this shimmer specifically. I thought that was so pretty. I really want to give these berry, plummy, purpley tones up here a try. I haven't tried those yet. I have tried these 4. I've tried this one and this one and this one. I mean, I've tried quite a few. I want to try these 2 shimmers still. So I haven't tried everything, but the looks that I've gotten, and I've used this about 4 times, has been so good. I've been so impressed with this company and the looks. I will say I don't know if my eyeshadow necessarily lasts all day. I do put my makeup on between 10 and 11 in the morning, and I take it off by 8 at night, and I do notice that there is a lot of fading, or it just doesn't look very well. So this would be something that I wouldn't necessarily pick to wear on a day where I need it to last a long time, but for a short day I think this would be great. Very pretty. Really like this. And this retails for $29, which again is a great price for a palette with, is it 16 shades, I think? 21 shades, so I was off. All right, then the next product that I got was from Korres, or Kors, I don't know how you would say that. And it is the body butter. Retails for $32, which is so expensive for body lotion. I got mine in the scent Basil Lemon. I did use this a couple of times, and just to kind of, one, get the smell, texture. I remember I liked it. Yes, it smells like fresh, clean lemon, but it's not like, lemon can sometimes be very overpowering, and I will say it's not, and I wonder if it's the basil that calms it down, because it's not like, which I wouldn't mind if it was really strong lemon. I do like the smell of lemon, but I know that it is a very intense, strong smell, and it's easy to be very strong. And so this actually is a good mix with the basil, because I feel like it just calms it down. You get kind of a fresh herb with, I don't know, it's really a unique smell. I was kind of bummed to get a body lotion because it's just not a fun product, but I really do like this. I started using it. I ran out of my body lotion, and so instead of grabbing another one that I already had, I decided just to open up this one and try it, and I really liked it, especially on my legs after I shaved. Just felt really nice, made them really moisturized, so I really like this. I would never ever buy it only because of the price. I think $32 for a body lotion is ridiculous, because I feel like you can get just as good body lotion for like $5 to $10. I don't know. You let me know if I'm wrong. The next thing in our box we got from Tarte is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I actually didn't even open it and use it. Unfortunately, I just forgot about it. So I definitely want to give it a try soon. Retails for $30, so I'm not going to talk about it long because I didn't even open it. I forgot. I feel bad. All right, the next thing that we got was from Hourglass. It's one of the ambient lighting blushes. I got mine in diffused heat. I did use this for about a week. Not all in one time. I forgot to put this in a makeup basket, but I did use it, you know, a couple times every week just because it was sitting there, and I love it. Let me give a swatch while it's sitting here. So it has kind of a marbled effect. All of Hourglass blushes look like this, and their bronzers. I believe that it's mixed with their ambient lighting powders, which is why they call it ambient lighting blush, and that is what you see with these colors over here. I could be wrong, correct me if I am, and down below. And these retail for 40 bucks. They're very expensive, but I do think they are so good. I don't know if this, I didn't hear this causing any hype about how it was made, where it was made, or if it was made cheaper. I don't know any of that. All I do know is I do own 2 other blushes from them, luckily in different colors. I wasn't sure. And it seems to be the same quality as those. So I appreciate that. I like it. There is no smell. I still smell that lemon. There's no smell, which is good. And yeah, I think Hourglass is it's one of my favorite higher end companies. All right, then the next product that we got was from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I love this. I used it all the time. I wasn't sure how to use it. Someone I saw on their video were using it like a setting spray, and I didn't read that that's what it was. I thought it was just a facial spray. So, oh, I guess it does say enhanced makeup. I didn't see that. It retails for $28. I just love the smell of it. The sprayer is so nice and fine. Like, you definitely aren't gonna get, like, I don't think I have to close my eyes. You know, some of them, you have to like, you spray on your face and then you have to air or fan it because it's so wet. This one, you don't get that. Plus you get that wonderful watermelon smell. So I really did like this. I think it is great. I would repurchase it just as a facial spray. I don't think I would use it as a makeup setter. I mean, it doesn't say setting, but it says enhance makeup. And then this just says hydrating and glow radiance. So maybe it'll give you a glow, I don't know. But I really like it. I do like this company. I think they are great. They make great products. I've been very happy with everything, and I feel like we get something from this company every month. So we'll have to see, because obviously this month is just Fenty in the Boxy Premium. So maybe we'll get something in our base box. Who knows? All right, and then the last product that caused the biggest problem last month was the Fascia 24 karat gold foiled moisturizer. I have the box. I actually threw mine away because I put it on my legs. My legs were extremely tacky. I broke out in kind of a rash, and that's why I put it on my legs. My leg is generally not sensitive to anything, and especially if I were to get a rash, at least it can be covered with pants. They say that this retails for $200 or $100, which I guess has been proven that is false. You can buy it from China for like $3 or $4, I believe. I can't remember exactly, so don't quote me. But it was horrible. I'm just gonna say it. And I generally try to give companies the benefit of the doubt, but this is the same company that, I don't know if I'll be posting this before or after I post the Fashionista, the box, but we received 2 products from the same company that owns this Fascia product. And so I guess it seems that she just buys her products really cheap from China and then puts them in boxes and inflates the price. Something to that effect. But the fact that this was not good on my skin, I don't know why I threw it away without saving it. I don't know why I would do that unless it's still up in my room. But I'm pretty sure I threw it away. But it was not good, so not good. Which is fine, because I would never spend $100, and if I loved it, I would be sad, because then I would want to rebuy it. And I have none of that. So that is everything in my February 2020 box. Let's get into the March 2020 Boxy Premium. So like I said, this is all products from Fenty. So I think we all got the same products, but only on 1 and 2 products just says shades may vary, but I don't see any version, any number. So I'm assuming everyone got the same products, just 2 of the products would have been a different, could be a different color. So let's just get started. The first thing and the most boring that I was kind of like, they put that in this box, is the Invisimatte blotting paper. I don't really use blotting paper. It does say it retails for $18. You know, maybe I should give this to one of my daughters who, I guess my kids don't really have oily skin. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's something that I probably will never, well, I will never use it. So at least it's only one product in the box. That was kind of a bummer, but I'm sure a lot of people will love it. So that is good for them. All right, so that retailed for $18, if I didn't say that. $16, sorry, that retails for $16. All right, the next thing that we got was a gloss bomb, which I love these. I own 2 full size, 1 mini, and these retail for $19. And it looks like we all got the same color. It's in the Milk Diamond. Unfortunately, I already own the color, but I do like this enough that I probably am gonna hold on to it. And now I won't be so sparing. I'll use mine up because I use it just kind of special occasions because I don't want to go through it. I mean, it only costs $19, but that is $19 for a lip gloss. It is kind of a milky white. I love these. I think these are so worth the money to have one, not to buy more than that. I think they're a little expensive for a lip gloss, but I do think they are worth the hype. I like them, so. And again, that retails for $19. The next thing that we got was, or is, a matte Moselle. I don't speak French, so none of it's gonna sound right. Plush matte lipstick. This is one that could vary in colors. So these retail for $18. I got mine in Griselda, I think is the shade name. I think that's how you would say that, but I'm not totally sure. I've never tried this, but I am excited to try it. I think that's what I was trying to say. I think the packaging is just so pretty. It is a very dark color. So this is the color that I would probably, oh, it's so pretty. But I probably wouldn't use it until fall. So it has kind of a deep plum berry color. I mean, it's gorgeous. The packaging is gorgeous, so pretty, which I do think she does have great packaging. I just wish I got a more, since it is spring coming up, a more spring type color. That is only downside to this color, but it is very pretty. I am glad it's not red or a brown, because this is something that I definitely would wear a little more often than those in the fall, but again, it's just kind of a fall color for me. I still will probably try it because I'm so curious how it's going to feel on your lips or my lips, and I want to try it. So I still will give it a try. And that retailed for $18. The next thing that I got was a Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. Like I had mentioned, I do own one matchstick in her bronzer shade, which I love. I think it is so great. So this is a shimmer stick. So I believe it is a highlight, blush, and enhance. The long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless blendable. This is the shade. This is the last product that can vary in shade. I did see Just Ann, she got a like orangey color, which looked to me more of a blush, even though it says these can be used as a blush or a highlight. I would assume you got one or the other, because I don't know how you'd use that color as a highlight even with deeper skin. But I got the color in Unicorn, which looks to be like a purple type color, which I think could be really pretty on the skin. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. Can you see that? Can't even see it. It just is gorgeous. Oh, I am so excited. And then you blend it out. I wish you guys could see. It is very holographic. Is that the word? I can never get the word right. So I am super excited to try this. Like I said, I've only ever tried her bronzer one or contour one. So this will be fun to give it a try. You can use it as a topper, or you can use it, like I said, as a highlighter, which I will probably try doing both. Okay, so that looks great. I'm excited to try this. This retails for $25. All right, and then the last product, which is the most exciting, is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Okay, there's 2 more, I'm sorry. So second to last is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Retails for $29, which actually sounds like a great price for her line. I'm actually kind of shocked. I've already taken it out of the bag. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. Ugh. If you couldn't see my blinds, let's see how I do that. Is that not gorgeous with the smoke? Oh, so pretty. I do hate the way this layout is, because I did see this on like Sephora and stuff, and I don't like the layout, but that doesn't matter. I think it reminds me of the IBY palette that I just talked about in the Fashionista box that we got in January. It reminds me of that palette, except you do have this pink and white and a gray, which is gorgeous. I love these shades over here. This color looks very unique. It has kind of a gold but a pink shift. How gorgeous. Let's see. So pretty. Can you see that? Oh, it's so pretty. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to try this. I've never tried her shadows, so I don't know anything about them, but I am super excited to try that out, see what all the hype is about, because I know a lot of people really liked her shadows. All right, now the last thing in the box is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter. I believe we all got the same color. So it is in the color Trophy Wife. It retails for $36. I have tried a couple of her highlighters. I have a mini and I think one full size. I really want to get her diamond one that's supposed to be like a white, but I just have never bought it. But I have heard that this is a very dark color, so I feel like it's not going to work totally for me, but that is okay. Let's just see what it looks like. Oh, I can't open it. I mean, it is very, very gold. I mean, like gold as gold can be. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I wonder if you diffuse it. Like if I were to use like a teeny bit. I mean, it might be pretty on, can you guys even see it? You can't even see it. It's a little bit up here, but diffused out, it looks like it would be okay, I think, if I go very light. But I like her highlights. Like I said, I have 2, a mini one and a full size. I can't think of what ones I have. I don't use them very often. I probably should pull them out now that I have this to remind me. But I do remember liking the formula. I need to just pull it out and use them. So again, that retails for $36. That is everything in the Boxy Premium for March 2020. Awesome box. I think it is so cool that they did this with Fenty. It gave a lot of people a chance to try many of her products. How many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 6 products, 6 full-size products, which I think is great. I think that this is a great box. Let me know if you got this. What colors did you get? I'm just curious because you could have gotten different color in the shimmer stick and in the matte plush lipstick. So I would love to know what other colors were out there. I can't remember. I've only watched one video. I can't remember what colors she got. But let me know if you got a different color. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.